What if your next car felt more like a private jet than a vehicle? This isn't just the most luxurious Mercedes ever built. It might be the most opulent limousine on the planet. Introducing the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. Not just a car, a statement of power, a sanctuary of silence, a moving masterpiece built for those who don't follow success, they define it. The moment it appears, it dominates. The iconic Maybach grille rises with authority, its vertical chrome slats shimmering like liquid metal under the light. The extended wheelbase stretches elegantly, longer and more commanding than a standard S-Class, making its presence unmistakable. And that signature two-tone paint? It doesn't just shine, it announces arrival. But here's where it gets truly extraordinary. Open the door, and the outside world disappears. Step into the rear cabin because, let's be honest, that's where the magic happens. Reclining executive seats transform into near flatbeds with calf support. Integrated massage programs mimic hot stone therapy. Heated armrests, ventilated cushions, and adaptive comfort systems respond to your body automatically. Legroom rivals private jets. Fold-out tables deploy with precision. A refrigerated compartment keeps champagne chilled. Crystal flutes are ready for celebration. And just when you think it can't get better, 64-color ambient lighting reshapes the atmosphere at your command. Serene blue for calm, deep red for drama, soft white for timeless elegance. But luxury means nothing without power. Under the hood of the Maybach S580 lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. 496 horsepower delivered with absolute smoothness. Enough to glide past traffic effortlessly. And then there's the pinnacle, the S680. A handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 biturbo engine producing 621 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. That's sports car power in a limousine designed for royalty. 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds, yet from inside, you feel almost nothing. No vibration, no harshness. Just seamless acceleration, like a jet taking off in complete silence. But here's what truly separates it from everything else. The ride. Adaptive air suspension scans the road ahead and adjusts in real time. Rear wheel steering shrinks its turning circle, making this extended limousine surprisingly agile. Active noise cancellation keeps cabin sound levels whisper quiet around 64 decibels at highway speeds, quieter than most luxury hotels. Technology surrounds you without overwhelming you. The MBUX interface responds naturally to your voice. A Burmester 4D30 speaker sound system transforms music into a live performance, with vibrations you can actually feel through the seats. Air ionization purifies the cabin. The exclusive Maybach fragrance subtly enhances the atmosphere. And advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise, lane keeping, evasive steering operate quietly in the background, adding confidence without intrusion. But perhaps the most powerful feature of the Maybach S-Class is exclusivity. Through MAN, UFAKT, UR customization, owners can select bespoke paint finishes, rare wood trims, unique leather combinations, and handcrafted details that make each vehicle truly one of one. No two Maybachs have to be the same. This isn't transportation. It's arrival redefined. Its presence amplified. It's the ultimate expression of achievement. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, where tradition meets innovation, where silence meets power, where luxury becomes legacy. Now tell me, would you choose the smooth V8 or the legendary V12? Let me know in the comments. And if you love ultra-luxury machines like this, Make sure to subscribe because the next masterpiece might redefine everything you thought you knew about automotive excellence. Mercedes-Maybach, the pinnacle of luxury.